All right, this top one is called
Somebody remember this shit. I just know this one looks like a teardrop.
sartorius muscle right here. These two right here. This whole muscle. And then this bottom one is called
Which one is this?
gracilis.
Like on ours? The
And right under it,
Come on, Mr. Brady. You just said it looks like a
this
teardrop.
muscle right here is the semimembranosus. This middle one is called the adductor magnus. This is the small one is called the adductor longus. This one right here. And then these two right here are called the top one is called rectus femoris, and then this bottom one right here is called vastus medialis, and that's it.